Experiencing trouble connecting your Tesla app to your car remotely? Let's address the common reasons. Connection issues often stem from a few key factors: unstable internet connection, outdated app versions, or the car being in deep sleep mode. The Tesla app relies on a secure connection to Tesla's servers, then to your car. Authentication and permissions issues, where mobile access isn't enabled or properly authorized, can also cause problems. Authentication involves OAuth tokens and requires the car to be awake, not in deep sleep mode. Check app permissions for location and Bluetooth access on your device. Before diving into complex fixes, start with the basics. First, ensure your phone has a strong internet connection. The Tesla app requires a stable cellular or Wi-Fi signal to communicate with your vehicle. Weak connections often lead to connection failures or timeouts. Check your phone's signal strength and switch to a better network if needed. Next, restart the Tesla app and confirm you're using the latest version. Outdated apps may not be compatible with your vehicle's firmware, leading to connection issues. Force close the app completely, then reopen it. Check for updates in the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android and install any available updates. This often resolves many connectivity problems. Third, verify that mobile access is enabled in your Tesla's settings. This setting, found under Safety and Security on the vehicle's touchscreen, allows the app to communicate remotely through Tesla's secure servers. Without it, the app cannot send commands or receive data from your car. Make sure it's toggled on for full remote functionality. Finally, try waking up your car. Tesla vehicles go into deep sleep mode after inactivity to save battery, which cuts off remote access. To wake it, simply open a door, the trunk, or frunk using your key. This powers up the vehicle's systems, allowing the app to establish a connection. You should see the touchscreen light up. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the connection issue, it's time to investigate further. Start by checking your car's connectivity options, including both cellular and Wi-Fi connections. For Wi-Fi connections, make sure your Tesla is linked to a reliable and stable network. Weak or intermittent Wi-Fi signals can prevent the app from maintaining a consistent connection. For cellular connectivity, verify that your Tesla vehicle has active service. Modern 5G networks provide the best performance, but ensure your plan includes data coverage in your area. Next, check your phone's app permissions. The Tesla app typically requires access to location services and Bluetooth to communicate with your vehicle. Make sure these are enabled in your device settings. Finally, try refreshing your phone's network connection by toggling airplane mode on and off. This simple action can often resolve temporary connectivity glitches with the Tesla app. Tesla's remote access system operates through a sophisticated cloud-based infrastructure. This means all communication between your mobile app and your vehicle flows through Tesla's secure cloud servers. This diagram illustrates the data flow. Your laptop or smartphone connects via Wi-Fi to Tesla's cloud services, which then communicate with your Tesla vehicle. The cloud acts as the central hub for all remote operations. Your Tesla mobile app doesn't connect directly to the car. Instead, it sends commands through Tesla's secure server network. These servers handle authentication, route commands, and ensure secure transmission. The app screens you see, like service appointments and alerts, are all managed through this server communication, allowing remote access to vehicle functions and data. The Tesla vehicle itself maintains its own internet connection using either built-in cellular data through a SIM card or Wi-Fi when parked at home or work. This ensures the car stays connected even when you're away. Settings like Sentry Mode and Phone Key rely on this internet connection, which must be active for remote features to work properly. All data transmission between the app, servers, and vehicle uses end-to-end encryption to protect your information. Authentication protocols ensure only authorized users can access vehicle controls. This flowchart shows how Tesla implements multiple layers of encryption, including AES-256 and key generation processes, to secure all remote communications. Having this foundational knowledge of Tesla's ecosystem helps you identify where connection problems might occur, whether it's the app, servers, vehicle's internet connection, or security protocols, making troubleshooting much more effective. If basic connectivity checks haven't resolved your Tesla app issues, the problem likely involves authentication and permissions. Tesla's remote access relies on secure OAuth tokens that connect your mobile app to the vehicle's onboard systems through Tesla's cloud servers. First, ensure your Tesla is awake and not in deep sleep mode. When the car enters deep sleep to conserve battery, it disables remote connectivity features like app control and command execution. The vehicle must be online and responsive for mobile access to work. Next, double-check that mobile access is enabled in your car's settings. Navigate to the Safety and Security menu on your touchscreen. Find the Mobile Access option and ensure it's toggled on. This permission allows the app to communicate with your vehicle and send commands like remote start or climate control. If you've recently changed your Tesla account password, you'll need to refresh your authentication. Sign out of the app completely, then sign back in with your new credentials. This regenerates your OAuth token and reestablishes the secure connection between your device and Tesla's servers. When you encounter error messages like unable to connect or car offline, these often point to server-side issues or network problems on Tesla's end. The first step is to check Tesla's service status online or on social media to see if there's a known outage affecting connectivity. Firewall blocks on your network and VPN interference on your phone can also cause these connection errors. These security measures might prevent the app from reaching Tesla's servers properly. As a quick troubleshooting step, try disabling your VPN temporarily to see if that resolves the connection issue. Looking ahead, Tesla's connectivity will become even more reliable through AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect and fix network problems. Future app versions will include proactive issue resolution, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Expect tighter integration with smart home devices and enhanced cybersecurity features to protect your remote access. By 2027, Tesla aims for full Starlink integration across all vehicles, ensuring connectivity even in remote locations without cellular coverage.